What if I told you that you could bake soft, fluffy, melt in your mouth marble cake with a rich coffee twist without a single egg, no all purpose flour, and no complicated gadgets? Sounds too good to be true, right? But stick with me because today I'll show you how to make a gorgeous gluten free eggless marble coffee cake that your family will love. And best of all, you don't need to have fancy mixers or decorating skills. It's quick, easy, and healthy. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Neetu and I share easy, healthy baking recipes that everyone can make at home, even if you are a complete beginner. So, whether you are baking for a gluten intolerant friend, someone with diabetes in your family, or just want to eat healthier by yourself, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an eggless gluten free marble coffee cake with the simplest pantry staples, perfect to pair with your morning coffee or a gluten free dessert. So, keep watching till the end because I have some bonus tips that will take this cake to the next level. Alright, let's get started. Now I want to show you a little hack that's going to make your baking life so much easier. Normally you would need to beat the sugar with the oil and butter for the long time to get smooth mixture. But that can be such a pain, right? Your arms get tired, the sugar starts gritty, no fun. So instead we are going to take both the white sugar and the brown sugar and grind them into a fine powder. Now let's work on the wet ingredients. Take a nice big bowl. You want enough space to mix comfortably. Pour in your powdered sugar, then add the butter. I have taken the butter at room temperature, which I'm going to melt it in microwave for 30 seconds and then pour into the sugar. Next, I will add in vegetable oil. Blend oil, sugar and butter really well. Look how smooth that gets. Already it looks creamy and delicious. Then go ahead and add your yogurt or buttermilk. It doesn't matter which you use. Both works beautifully. Yogurt will make your cake slightly richer, but buttermilk gives a soft, airy texture. Just fold in until it's well combined. Don't overmix here. Remember, we want the cake to stay light and fluffy. And thanks to that powdered sugar, everything comes together like a dream. Now it's time to bring the dry ingredients. We are going to use jawar flour, also called as sorghum flour, which is naturally gluten free and super rich in fiber. Just sprinkle in the flour, baking powder and baking soda. You can sieve them if you like, but honestly I rarely bother because this batter is pretty forgiving. Slowly fold in the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. You will already notice it smells amazing with the yogurt and buttery goodness. Okay, now comes the fun part. Let's make this as a marble cake. Divide the batter into two equal parts. If you really love a deep coffee flavor, you can divide it 1/4 vanilla and 3/4 of coffee. But today I am keeping 50-50. I have taken two equal portions of milk here. So one portion I am going to add vanilla extract, which is totally optional but highly recommended if you want a classic marble flavor. I am mixing instant coffee dissolved in milk. Instant coffee. Make sure you are using instant coffee, not the filter coffee. That aroma of fresh coffee is going to fill your kitchen right away. It's like stepping into a cozy cafe. Give both the batters a gentle stir so they are smooth. Then grease your cake pan. You can use parchment paper or just traditional butter and a sprinkle of gluten-free flour, whichever you prefer. Now start layering. Pour the vanilla batter, then scoop of coffee batter and alternatively until the batter is finished. If you want, you can have the squill design using a skewer for a beautiful marble pattern, or just leave it rustic. Either way, it will be gorgeous. So once your batter is in the pan, tap it a little on the countertop. This knocks out any big air bubbles and gives you a nice even crumb. Preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Then slide in your cake and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Every oven is a bit different, so start checking around 30 minutes mark. A toothpick or skewer inserted in the middle should come out clean. That's your green light. Then remove it from the oven and place the cake on the wire rack. It's super important to let it cool completely. If you cut while it's too hot, it might break apart or turn gummy. Give it a good half an hour to rest. You will thank yourself later. Okay, here is a pro tip. I absolutely love once your cake is fully cool, drizzle a bit of chocolate sauce over the top. The combination of coffee and chocolate is so dreamy. It will taste just like those premium bakery cafes, but so much healthier. Plus, this cake freezes beautifully. Just slice it up, wrap the pieces well, and store them in an airtight container. Whenever you're craving a treat, just pop a slice in the microwave for 10 seconds. Instant coffee shop vibes at home. How awesome is that? If you love this recipe, give this a video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and share this with a friend who might be looking for healthy baking ideas. And hey, let me know in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Maybe a chocolate orange version or a gluten-free carrot cake. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Happy baking, and I'll see you in the next video.